My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called S.H.O. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. Now, before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open all their files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data, in fact. Unfortunately, very soon users realize that this ransomware has been injected into the computer because of some leaks and vulnerabilities. The ransomware encrypts files and appends a special 4-symbol extension or 5-symbol extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. And finally, it also changes the desktop background, indicating that all your files are stolen and encrypted. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the funds without getting your data restored. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and the software will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then you need to click on Start Scan button, but most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip that very important step. And then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware with anti-ransomware feature. It helps to protect the data with the same feature, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files, by the way. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the computer. Consider premium license and you can request for the free trial. And in the description to this video, you may find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.